In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to join your team in Notion. If you've just joined a company or switched groups, getting into the right spaces in Notion makes a huge difference. I'll walk you through finding and joining your team spaces, plus what to do if your team works in a separate workspace. Start by looking at your Notion sidebar. Near the top, you'll see an option labeled All Team Spaces. Click that. This view gathers every team space you can discover in your current workspace. So it's the quickest way to see what's available without hunting through links or messages. Think of team spaces as organized homes for departments or projects, each with its own pages, permissions, and members. As you browse, you'll notice some team spaces are open. These are immediately accessible to anyone in the workspace. When you find the one you need, click Join. Notion will add it to your sidebar right away, so you can dive into pages, docs, and wikis without any delay. If you don't see the Join option, you might already be a member, in which case the team space should appear in your sidebar automatically. You may also see closed team spaces. These require approval from an admin or owner. If that's the case, click Request. This sends a standard access request to the people who manage that space. After they approve you, the team space will show up in your sidebar, and you'll be good to go. If you are waiting on approval, check back later or follow up with the appropriate contact in your organization. Now, if your team works in a different workspace common in larger organizations, you'll switch over using the workspace switcher at the top left of Notion. Click the switcher, then choose Add Another Account. Sign in to access the new team's workspace. This keeps your work organized and lets you move between workspaces without logging out. Once you are in, open the All Team Spaces view in that workspace. Join any open team spaces you need and request access to closed ones as before. A couple of quick reminders to keep things smooth. If you don't see all team spaces, your workspace may have different permissions or features enabled, so checking with an admin can help. And when signing into another account, keep your credentials secure and avoid sharing them. That's all you need to start collaborating where your team works. Join open spaces, request access when needed, and use the workspace switcher to move between teams seamlessly. Thanks for watching.